nĩ ceceni ya Inoro TV.
Kirigano cia mwanya ni guthii na mbere na kunyitana ithuĩ ihinda na ikinyu ria Matemo tukumanyithia maria turathii na mbere na gukuharĩrĩria mari na njĩra nguhĩ nigetha wona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 tukurehere mari mothe na njĩra ndikiru. Twajĩ na riboti kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũcoki. Family ĩmwe kuma itũra ria Bondeni thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Naikuru ĩrenda kĩhoto thutha wa mwana wao wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 19 gũkua thutha wa kũrathwo nĩ maabitha a borithi kĩmahĩtia ira hwaĩ-inĩ. Family ya Whitney Atieno ũrĩa nĩ mũrutwo wa kĩrathi gĩa form 4 cukuru-inĩ wa secondary wa Nakuru Central arakorirwo nĩ rithathi hĩndĩ ĩrĩa maabitha a borithi maratabanagia mũngũrũrio wa kũhĩtana na amemba a gĩkundi kĩa imaramari gĩa Confirm arĩa metĩkĩtio gũkorwo makinyamaria aikari icigo iria itiganĩte kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Kũratuĩka rithathi ĩrarathire Atieno gĩthũri na kumĩrĩra mũgongo nĩaracoka gũkora mũirĩtu ũngĩ wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 18 Ruth Waithera na kũmũgũragia guoko kwa ũmotho.
Twarokire kwa ihenya rĩu ihenya na njĩra akĩmwamũkĩra takĩ ota mũciari na ndĩramũkĩmũtengeria kũmũciarĩria kĩ ipeto beini kira nĩonekana gũgĩthondekwo no nĩ haragĩkinyire handũ kũrĩa ndathi kege mestima jama tingĩthondeka no ndĩmũtwarire medical ningĩ ndĩratuĩka no nginya mbenjũke kĩ thiĩ center wa Bondeni nĩgetha nyandĩkithie kĩheo OB nĩgetha ndĩmũtware no nĩ mararegire kũhe kĩ OB marega nĩguo ndĩramoire tũrathiĩ kinya medical kũ nĩko tũrathire gũthondekerwo.
Arathĩirwo haha nda rithathi roimĩra mũgongo na arĩ wodi agĩtangĩkĩrwo nĩgetha atwarwo theater. Unfortunately ndanahota kũmake nĩ ũndũ wa bleeding.
Investigation imeanza IPOA ambao ni independent body plus the DCI wameanza uchunguzi na wametake over. Uchunguzi unaendelea tujue hata hao wenye waliumia kama waliumia na nini na kama kuna kitu pengine wa officer alifanya ambapo alifanya kinyume ya sheria. Sheria itachukua mkondo wake na so far tunangojea uchunguzi uendelee. Tukipata the full information action will be taken.
Kuma Naikuru tũgũcokia kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi kũrĩa President Uhuru Kenyatta atongoria igongona rĩa kũhingũrwo ofici nene cia rũhonge rwa ũtuĩria wa ũmaramari DCI barabara-inĩ ya Kiambu. Rũhonge rwa DCI rwarugũria nyũmba njerũ ĩrĩ na macini cia kĩrĩu cia gũteithia gwĩka ũthuthuria wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya kũhũrana na ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ.
Forensic laboratory shall complement existing infrastructure while also meeting the fast-changing needs of both investigations as well as will also meet the fast-changing needs for both investigators as well as all stakeholders. The facility will provide an invaluable resource not just within the criminal justice sector but also to users in educational research, civil law, human science and other fields. In keeping with our commitment to the one government service delivery model epitomized by the multi-agency framework, this facility will bolster the capabilities of a wide range of government bodies in fields as diverse as tax administration, wildlife, environmental protection, heritage, food safety, criminal justice, amongst others. So today, even as we inaugurate this facility, I do direct that the Ministry of Interior, jointly with the Ministry of ICT, through the Communications of Kenya Universal Service Fund, to come up and to inform me within the next 2 weeks of how they can further strengthen the capacity of the cybercrime unit with this laboratory that we have just seen here. I also do further direct that the National Police Service will introduce mandatory and continuous professional development programs on cybersecurity for all officers charged with criminal investigations. So, ladies and gentlemen, having earlier unveiled a plaque out there, a beautiful one, to mark the official opening of this facility, it is therefore now my distinct honor and profound privilege to declare the National Forensic Laboratory duly opened. And may this laboratory be a very powerful arrow in our law enforcement quiver and resource a resource that yields a faster spin of the wheels of justice in our nation.
Kugina kuo family nara taha Mukenya umwe uria ni mutaramu wa maundu ma ugitiri uikeneta Mwenda Mbijiwe uria worie na njira ya kiriga mwaka muhituku kana family yake ni roria mundu ugikorwo na uhoro umwegie aheane niguo Mwenda amenyeke kuria athire. Mwenda Mbijiwe ajiririe gucaranio nake kuma tariki 12 mweri wa 6 mwaka muhituku ni kurigana nyina Jane Gatweri ni mathite ofisine nyingi makimuriria na gucaria uhoro uria ungimateithia kumukinyira no gutire umithio monete gukinya riu mariti hinde igongona ria kuhoera mwana wao kwa mucituro-ini ria Sirimon kaunti-ini nini ya Bore kuria Meru.
State House hata president akitaka angalie CCTV ninaendanga huko security na kataa tuingie, tunaambiwa endeni mkapima COVID nini, hakuna ngeti. Sijajaribu huko State House ya kuingia State House kuona president, na kama nimeona president huyo kijana angekuwa nyumbani hapa.
For 1 year kama relatives kama majirani tumekaa na uchungu, hakuna kazi tunaweza fanya. Ukisikia tu unapigiwa simu kutoka kwa hii mboma unastuka.
Mwenda tunajua yuhai na tunajua anajulikana mahali aliko. Kwa hivyo letu ni kuomba, sababu ni jambo limekuwa gumu na nzito kwa hii familia. Serikali yetu tukufu na uko na uwezo na
sio hivyo watangaze hata kama ni kesho, waseme serikali ijui maneno ya Mwenda. Lakini kama wanajua, na ndiposa walikuwa hakuna hata siku moja tumeshawahi sikia hata kwa taarifa serikali ikitoa taarifa ya kusema Mwenda amepotea, Mwenda amepatikana, tumefuatilia maneno ya Mwenda. Tumengojea mambo mengi kusikiza. Ndiposa sasa hata siku ya leo tulikuja tena ukumbusho na kilio tena tukililia president wetu mpendwa.
Kogana kuwa togoria aikiro gorani ni mahurire Governor Kiraitu Murungi campaign riri aratetera gituruwa giake munini wa Raila Odinga Martha Wangari Karua. Governor wa Nairobi Ann Kananu na togoria gini mahurire Kiraitu ndefehide igongona ria irio cia hwaine riria rirahariririo mukawa-ini umwe guku thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Mwena-ini wake Governor Kiraitu augite ni aranyita mbaru ngwataniro ya Azimio kumana na kioneki kia atongoria a ngwataniro yo kuri bururi.
It is not about our stomachs. It is not about how much money we make when we are in offices. It is about ourselves, our children, and the future of our children.
So let us not be afraid to offer leadership in our spheres of influence. Hata ukiambiwa iko wave ya nani, if you think they are not qualified, please stand up. Can the real Merus stand up? And I know you are there. Let us give this country good leaders, like I said, starting from MCA, and the transformation we deserve will begin with the counties. It will be national. We are looking for a national revolution.
Azimio has promised they are going to increase the resources coming to the counties from 15 to 35%. I've talked to Raila personally. He has put it in his manifesto that once we elect him, he is going to strengthen devolution and the resources will be increased from 15 to 35%.
Ours is really to make a plea, even as you support us financially. I would like to request that you go down to our villages. This is our county. Governor Kiraitu and I and our families, First Lady and secondly, we cannot manage to do this alone. We cannot reach all our villages. You all come from somewhere. You have relatives, you have brothers, you have got sisters, you have got your parents. Please go down to your villages and help us talk to your people.
Mashimagedana bereku nake mutongoria wa Azimio One Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga atwarite kabini ciake kuria kaunti-ini ya Githii. Ntuko tukorera riboti yo mohoro-ini maitu ma inoro hwaine na thaa ithatu tukumenyithie uria ahurire kabini mwono ucio wa Githii. Muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na kiama kia UDA Johnson Sakaja aroria kamiti ya ithurano na mihakanio IEBC irira thikiriria na gutuithania macira maria matwaritwo mbere yayo itianirie cira uria wandikithitio agithitangirwo kwaga maratathi makinyaniru ma githomo kia degree. Agicokia thitango icio Sakaja augite ari na uira ati ni akoragwo na degree mathomo-ini ma ma urugamiriri iria aheirwo thutha wa guthomera university-ini imwe bururi-ini turigaini wa Uganda. Cira wa Sakaja utwaritwo mbere ya kamiti ino ni Dennis Gakuwa Home uria ugite Sakaja ndari na degree ya kumwitikiria kuhuranira gituro kia governor. Haya, macio nimo Matemo nimo mohoro maria turathi na mbere na gukuhaririria tugukureha na njira ndikirwo na cihada thaa imwe na thaa ithatu itago muriuki wa macoki ngatho cia mwanya ni kunyitania na ithu.
Dhahabuland Limited ni marenda wigwatire gicunje kia Dhahabu Plains Matu Phase 2 na thogora wa 380 hari orari ha deposit ya 50 nayo balance ukarekia na mieri 10. Urathimo namba 0707 177 177.
Thank you, Kenya.
Royal Media Services ni turagucokeria ngatho ni undu wa guthii na mbere na kuonania wendo waku kuri ithue thiini wa kihitahitano kiria kirigite gia Kuza Awards 2022. Citizen TV ni aikirio kura eri TV retongoretie hari TV itarehagirwo hari kuonania tabarĩra iria harĩrĩirio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na gũcihe mweke mũnene. Oho Inoro TV ni yehotanĩire ngoga ni undu wa kũhe tabarĩra iria ithondekeirwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mweke ũrĩa wĩroragĩrwo mũno. Turamucokeria ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa guthii na mbere gututua na mbemwe.
Thank you, Kenya, for making us number one.
Introducing a new way to earn cash every time you buy airtime. Simply dial *487*2#. Buy airtime, pay for electricity or water bills for you or someone else, and get paid papo hapo. Usinunue airtime na tokens bure bure tu. Earn instantly with *487*2#. Dial *487*2# now.
All I do is win. I wake up, I win. I close my eyes, and I win.
Wa, dwagithakara muno. No hede wo salon. Darling Abuja Braids. Itoraga ihana tari o hede wo salon hatari gaja.
No wende guthoma kothi cia moko. Wehingurire mirango ya miramano na umireri wa wira. Sensei Institute of Technology ni mucie gwa kothi njega cia moko. Turathomithia kothi ta plant operator, plant mechanics, guturithia ngari na trailer, gwikira CCTV na alarm, gwikira solar, gwikira thitima, motorcycle na motor vehicle electronics na mechanics, technology ya waki wa nyumba, welding fabrication, waki wa farafara na demu, kothi cia hospitality na kothi nyingĩ. Kuingira Sensei kuwa gibande gĩaku na wambĩrĩria kuona thĩ na njĩra ya mwanya. Sensei College, my skills, my future.
Ng'ombe kama go thĩinĩ wa cubicle kĩayo na igagĩkĩrwo irio kũringana na production yayo na igagĩcoka mũkami gakĩanjia gũkama. Gũcoka tũkoya iria rĩu rĩothe tũkarĩthima na tũkarĩiga ready gũthiĩ thĩinĩ wa market. Kuma hau rĩu nĩ kũrora ũhoro wa mĩharatĩ yogoro heiro iraire the previous night igakĩhatwo gwĩkĩrĩra ng'ombe irio fresh.
Bigger is better. Ati no ugure mundu nene taika ithano ithu tuhana Optiven ni tura develop mukawa munene muno wa family. Twina area ya borithi, twina provision ya playground ya ciana citu, tuhorere thimu otha icigo ku Optiven 0790 300 300.
ni ceceni ya Inoro TV.
Presenting the new Harpic bathroom cleaner. Compared to ordinary detergents, its thick formulation gives you superior cleaning and kills 99.9% of germs and viruses all around the bathroom.
Masokyo kwa onegai na wale mahudagero ndio do mohudho ao mareherio